Alright, the mid-afternoon is here as we continue going downhill to the first weekend of January. It is also New Year's Day as well. January 1st, 2026, CN Hayes here. It is the 1500 hour as I'm coming to you from West Ladysmith again with a very quick video lined up for you. And that was a power move departure for a northbound sand load today that just came on. A pair of C6M rebuilds and a Tier 4 Credit ES44 were on there for the power move departure. Leading on the power move was the C6M rebuild of the second batch of the 3329. In the middle was Tier 4 Credit ES44AC 3886. Sporting the 100th anniversary logo. And third was the GECX nee-BNSF variant AC44C6M of the 3355. And I decided to return again. How about that? So off they go to Source Energy Services of Weyerhaeuser to build up their sand train. And then take that one on up to Swan Landing, Alberta, Canada. So that will be today's S773 of the 1st. So that's going to do it for the power move departure of today's S773 of the 1st. And we'll do it for the 3329, 3886, and the 3355. And we'll do it for this video of West Ladysmith, near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great afternoon. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you down the May line. CN Hayes out.